front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on this section called password and security. Now select lock screen password and pick one of those login methods: pattern, numeric password or alphanumeric password. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, create it and then repeat it to confirm it. If you wanna, you can at any point hit cancel at the bottom left corner. If you wanna continue though, choose confirm and then apply one of those options to adjust the lock screen notifications. Show all notification content, show notifications but hide content, or don't show lock screen notifications. Whatever you decided, when you're done, hit done. So now when I go back, switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!